You ready?
Sure.
1, 2, 3. Hi! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Taisha.
I'm Jay.
And I have a fun video for you today. This is the most crappiest intro, but we're gonna make it work. So, I like watching Pack With Me videos. And I said, I'm gonna do my own. I'm gonna throw my own Pack With Me out in the world of YouTube. I can do it. It'll be fine. I'm not doing that minimalist stuff though. People are like, I can travel the world with only 10 items. So, first things first. When you travel, oh my god, where are we going?
New York.
Why are we going?
Because we're seeing Hamilton.
Okay, so anyways.
You don't even like Hamilton.
So we're only going for 2 days, so we don't need that much stuff. First things first. Normally I would travel with my North Face bag. I love this bag. I took it with me when I went to Europe, but we don't need that. I'm going to use my book bag. I left my book bag at work, so we're going to improvise. When I edit it all together, the book bag will be at the end of the video. So, what? Okay, let's start with what you definitely need when you travel. Your cell phone.
Underwear.
Underwear, yes. So, you're so not together. You know that, right? We're not together.
Yo, child.
Okay.
Where's your phone?
Oh, I'm going to edit all that out. Okay, first things first.
Okay.
Yes. When you travel, obviously you need a phone. So I'm taking my phone because I didn't realize this, but when you buy Broadway tickets, they don't actually give you a ticket. You have to like print them, show them on your phone.
It's just easier that way because
I know, but I like want the ticket stuff. For as much as I pay for this ticket, give me a ticket stuff.
Print it.
Phone are all of our, in my video really, all of our airline tickets are on here, so definitely a phone. Second thing, my Kindle. I have to be able to read on the plane, in the hotel, so my Kindle. And unfortunately, I will still be doing homework while I'm traveling, so my laptop. So what is that, 3 items? I couldn't do that 10 and under challenge. Okay. Also, when I travel, I always keep a travel journal. I like documenting my journey as it's happening instead of just coming home and writing it down, because usually by the time I get home, I've forgotten it all. So I'll take this. I love this one. This has my Europe trip in it, so I just fill it up until I run out, and then I start a whole new one. And a pen. What is that? 3, 5, 5. All right. Next thing is your HVAC stuff. I say this like I'm like telling people what they need. You know what you need to travel. I'm just showing you what I take to travel. I got this from Target. Do not get this because the little thingy came off. I'm gonna use this weekend, and then when we go for our next vacation, I'm gonna just get a different one, a better one. So what's inside of it?
shampoo. Let's see.
All right. Suntan lotion.
Suntan lotion?
Yes.
That's sunscreen. That's a suntan lotion.
Suntan lotion, sunscreen, same difference. Protect your skin from the UV rays.
Do you know suntan lotion?
We are beautiful goddesses of dark skin.
No, we're light skin.
Light skin.
Melanin.
We're kind of like a Hershey's dark chocolate meets.
We're just milk chocolate.
We're milk chocolate.
Or as my friend calls me, butterscotch.
Or butterscotch. So you need to be protected from the skin. Since we're going to be in New York City. From the sun. You need to be protected from the sun. Since we're going to be in New York City, we're going to have suntan /
Suntan lotion gives you darker. Sunscreen protects you. That says suntan for some reason.
This is from the sun. Then good old fashioned lotion, because we don't want to be ashy. You need some deodorant in your life because you don't want to be funky.
Hair stuff. I don't have it in my hair right now.
Toothpaste, because I didn't want to take the tube. I figured to squeeze it in here and be done with it. It's a hot mess. This is also my moisturizer, not my moisturizer, my
face stuff.
Face wash. And it's so slippery that I was afraid it would fall out of the container. So I put plastic on it and then tighten it up. Plastic wrap, thank you. And then put it in the plastic bag.
That has a rip in it.
That has a rip in it, thank you. It's still gonna work. Chapstick. And I don't actually know why I'm bringing the tea tree hair and body moisturizer. You never know when you need
body moisturized. Moist.
Next, how many items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is that? 8?
I'm gonna say around 8.
8. Okay.
You're close to 10, so you couldn't do that many ones.
Now we're both traveling. Jay has a ticket. I have a ticket. Jay's taking the book bag. I'm taking the book bag. So I can put that in my book bag, and then Jay can put my makeup stuff in his book bag. So
why don't I just carry that one?
Moisturizer, lip gloss, eye primer, face primer, the best travel compact makeup in the world. I can do like 3 different looks, 4 different looks with this. I love this. It's from Urban Decay. Bronzer, setting spray, mascara, powder. It's just kind of all over powder. Bronzer, and then a few brushes. I do not bring anything liquid with me outside of the mascara and the lip gloss and the primer, just because it's gonna. Well, that's a given in the spray to set it. But like all over stuff, I don't do like liquid foundation. I don't do highlight. It's just gonna be too hot. And honestly, I probably won't do makeup on Saturday. I'll probably just do makeup on Sunday when we go to the Hamilton. That way I can look kind of cute. Yeah, sorry. Okay, that's that. We're moving along. How many we got? Does this count as one item?
I'm gonna count that it's like
one.
Yeah.
Item.
Even though there's multiple in it, it's just I would count it as one. So you already pretty much about surpassed 10. So
okay.
Yeah.
I'm passing. Next thing is the goodies. Sweets. Gummy bears.
I've already opened them because I have no self-control and they're very good.
And then a pack of gum for your ears to pop on the plane, but I don't have my gum. I don't know where it went. And I don't see a lot of people using this. I don't know why, but do you not understand how dirty the airplane is? I mean, they don't clean it that great. So take you some Lysol wipes and wipe everything down, and then let it dry, and then you can touch stuff. Don't touch it while it's wet, because then you're just like taking away the sanitation. Does that work?
If it makes you sleep better, yeah, go ahead.
Okay. And then to round it all out, we're gonna take us some Band-Aids, little mini first aid kit, because yeah, we're accident prone. And
you broke it.
I did break it. How many items is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 12, 14.
Okay. And last but not least, I love this bag. This is my crossbody bag. Whenever I travel, I take this bag with me. I didn't take it to Europe because I needed a bigger bag, but all my other trips I go on, I take this one. It's from Fossil. It's great. It expands really wide and it's thin, so I can just shove it in my book bag when I don't need it.
Shoves.
Yes, shoves. And oh yeah, some shades.
Iconic yellow glasses.
Yes. And then our outfits, and I will kind of switch the angle and show you our outfits, or my outfits, because nobody cares about his outfits.
Thank you.
Okay. Why do I feel like that was a hot mess?
Oh, I know.
Oh, that was so cool. All right, so turn you guys around. Now we're gonna pack. Warlock, you can't go with us. I'd like for you to go, but you can't go with us. She's as big as my book bag. Okay, come on. It's like 10 pounds of cat hair. I'm gonna take all those off before we go, but all right. Like I said, I'm just gonna take a book bag, so laptop, because I have to do schoolwork. Cool thing about this book bag is there's a tablet sleeve up front, so tablet, and then let's go. The hotel we're staying at, I don't know if they have towels or not. I'm sure they do, but I don't know. I like traveling with my own towels and stuff. So towel down there. I'm not doing the roll method. Washcloths. Okay, outfits. I have this dress I'm going to wear when we go on Sunday. Oh, I love the color of it. It's so pretty. Alright, so dress. Da-da. And I'm gonna wear this on the plane, so I'm not gonna pack it. Jeans and this like flowy, I don't know, floral shirt. I like that, so that doesn't have to go in. But 2 socks. Put those down and through there. That goes in that compartment. Oh my god, I'm covered in cat hair. And then in the front, I'm gonna read Fangirl while I'm there. I don't know. I didn't like Carry On, but I figure maybe if I read Fangirl, I can appreciate Carry On. So we'll do that. On my HVAC right there. Lights. Portable charger. I have the cable hooked up to my cell phone. Put that right here. Oh, I've already lost one. Somebody lost her back. I don't know who lost her back. Huh. I'll figure that out. It's not going to rain while we're there, so I don't need to pack my umbrella, but I'm going to take a water bottle. And that's that. She's all packed, ready to go. And it still leaves me room to bring things home in case I want to get some souvenirs. My pocketbook and my wallet, this is the wallet I'll take, will go separately. Luckily, the airline we're flying on, I can have a carry-on and a purse. I know sometimes you can only have like a carry-on, and if you have a wallet or a purse, they consider that a carry-on too, like the cheaper airlines. But no, that's it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I plan on vlogging when I get there, so this will be my first attempt at a vlog, so wish me luck on that. But yeah, hope, you know, I don't think it gave you any tips, but if it was fun to watch, give it a like. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Where'd the remote go? Oh!